Perth at, what, 6 AM. This is the real world. 8:10, Glasgow Central.
So if you want to see, you've got to be in the front of the queue, more or less. But we see.
Like a ghost ship. This is weird. Dead boats. It's all very beautiful here. Definitely. Have you thought about what sort of stove you want? And there's 2 grades of liner, one lasts twice as long as the other.